FBA is not a new thing to me. I heard about it a long time ago, but somehow it just never clicked into my mind. And as I know that Amazon, they do provide a very good platform. When you grow big, they could take away your business because they could replicate it. They could do another private label and competing against you. Business, they don't sell on Amazon anymore. They just do it on their own website because with the algorithms and then they control everything. They know your clients, they know your suppliers. As you grow big and they think this is good, then they take it away from you. Just when I go to Walmart, I buy some of the shampoos, and then I see the people buying those are buying a lot of them, and then somehow Walmart just take it away from their shelf. And then the next day, I see Walmart, they do their own private labels. It's the same things. It's just a different label. I know, okay, whoever controlling the distribution channel, they could eliminate you, they could take you out of the game. Like, pretty easy. I was thinking, okay, we're spending so much time and money into one, and then later on they get taken away easily, and it's not worth it.
I agree with you on that part. Is Amazon, they control your data. They control your customer data. They know where you're getting that product from, and also they know pretty much the information that you give them. That's why we have a certain protection as a seller we put out to protect ourselves from Amazon stealing the data. And on top of that, we also have a certain measure, a certain system that allows us to own that data from Amazon. With the situation that you're mentioning about Amazon stealing other people's data and just kick them out of the competition, Amazon actually got sued a lot by that. There's a recent article that Amazon actually pulled back all of their brand that were replicating other people. That is one thing that is good for sellers. The second thing here is with Amazon, even though they're owning your data, but it doesn't mean you cannot take the data from them. What we recommend is we open a website, just a store outside of the mall. Imagine Amazon as a mall where all the stores are there. The mall control the traffic. Amazon control the traffic. But if we can bring that customer outside of Amazon through offering incentive to the customer, let's say offering lifetime warranty, they should go to our website and sign up. Now we own the data. Let's say if we offering them some sort of incentive, just overall, because we work as an incentive-based system. Whatever you offer the customer, they would go to your store. And that's when you can own their data. And how do you do that? You have an insert card inside of the package and make the offer strong enough that you can bring them outside of Amazon. That's the second thing that helped seller to remove one of the factor from Amazon, own the data. And the third thing, Amazon is a perfect platform to start your own brand. If you were to start your own brand outside of Amazon, you would have a lot to take care of, from fulfillment, marketing, quality control, and employee. You need to have your own warehouse. You need to have X number of employees. You have to send out every single day to the consumer. That could take up a lot of your time. On top of that, you would have to put out the initial investment to get a place. You have to pay the overhead costs. If you don't make any sale, you still have to pay your employees. Amazon is a perfect platform to start. But once you grow, you need to become independent. Let's say if you were able to start on Amazon, all you need to do is just focusing on marketing. They do all the fulfillment. They do all the customer service. And you don't have to pay your overhead costs. What we do is after we hit 6 figures, we know that the product works. We integrate right away to Shopify. We also spreading our system to Etsy, eBay, and Walmart. You can build more stream of income and not become dependent on Amazon. There's a certain measures and protection that experienced seller do, and they don't usually share it on social media. Let's say if you want to scale your brand up, Amazon's still the perfect platform to start because every day millions of people go to Amazon. In fact, my store, Amazon's still one of the main traffic. They bring a lot of money in the revenue, about 60 to 70%. As long as you can build that brand loyalty, it's matter how you take care of your customer. They will continue to go and buy from you no matter how cheap Amazon product is. That's called customer loyalty, lifetime value. That's many different factors. But overall, I would say as long as you know what you're doing, as long as you go with people that have experience, Amazon would not pose as a threat for you. And with current policy, Amazon has started to pull back on their replication system on other products.
Yeah, I also think about if the product getting into the market of, let's say, $10 million or $100 million sales, Amazon gonna replicate your products. If the product make a few $100,000 to $1 million, I believe Amazon not gonna spending more time to take it away from you because it's not worth it for them. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all come down to how much you want to make. If you want to make 100 million, then the game gonna be different. But keep in mind when you make 100 million, you would have to hire a good lawyer. They're gonna go after Amazon.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of sellers go after Amazon, and that's why Amazon already got their first slap on the hand.